Hi Bowl Bakers. When I started Bigger Bolder Baking, I was known as the queen of mug cakes on YouTube. I've made almost 100 recipes and they're my biggest videos. But here's the thing, you guys challenged me to see how many I could make in 15 minutes. Well, I accept the challenge. I've got some basic ingredients here, flour, sugar, raising agents, fruit. I've got all my mugs. I am ready to go. Stay tuned to see how many I can make.
All right, Gemma, how many do you think you can make?
I think I can make 10. I'm positive I can get there. With that being said, Kevin, can you start the clock?
I am ready, so get started.
Okay, nobody said I couldn't use my phone, so here I go onto biggerbolderbaking.com and I'm going to pick, I am going to make chocolate banana mug cake. There we go, lovely, great. So this, actually, that's funny that I landed on this because this is the very first one that we ever made. And this is the one that actually went viral all those years ago now. Gosh, I don't know, 2013, 2014, Kevin, 2013, 2014? 2014. I remember we were traveling, peanut butter. I remember we were traveling to Ireland and we were in JFK and we noticed a whole pile of emails and we had no idea what was going on. And we'd released this video for mug cakes around 2 months prior. And next thing you know, it just had taken off. It got picked up like all around the world. All these people started sharing it and everyone just went nuts for it. And that was our very first viral video. Now it's at, what is it at, Kevin? Is it 12 million?
I think so.
12 million. Peanut butter, 1 egg. I forgot my eggs. How did I forget eggs? Egg. I better hurry up. 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. And cocoa powder. How many is that? 2 tablespoons. Here we go. This is actually a really good mug cake and people loved it because it's kind of high protein. There's no flour. Has a whole egg in there. It's lovely and rich and chocolatey. And it has that big old 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Now let's try and mix this all together in the 1 mug. That is 1 mug cake ready to go. I don't know how long that took, but I'm gonna get this in to the microwave and I'm gonna have to get moving on my next mug cake. Okay. Start. Okay. So that'll just take a minute. Okay, next I'm going to make strawberry cobbler in a mug. Oh, I really like this one. Here we go. Because I have strawberries, which that was very smart of me. Strawberries in here. I do all the strawberries in there. Some sugar. Oh my gosh, how come when you're in a rush you can't read these things? A little bit of sugar in there. And strawberry sugar and vanilla, a little splash of vanilla. And then we give those a little mix. Okay, so this one's a little bit different. You have to start out with, I'm gonna use this bowl, oh that was smart. And I'm going to mix the rest of my ingredients. Okay, I've gotta get butter.
All right, Gemma, it's just the 10-minute mark.
That was 5 minutes. I think I can make 10. I'm positive I can get there. Okay, I'm gonna really speed up here. Give me a little bowl. Okay, that's not a tablespoon. My gosh, I think I would have picked an easier mug cake. Let's see how this one is doing. Oh, great. There we go, 1 down. In with the butter. Now, butter, 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Where's my flour? Where's my flour? Oh yeah. So this one is a little bit different because you make a topping separate. This is a lovely little sweet one, especially when you're trying to make dessert, 1/2 tablespoon. When you want a little tiny dessert. I don't have rolled oats, but I have oat flour. Compromise, or wait a second now, that's not the right word. Improvise, a little bit of cinnamon, there's a pinch, and a little bit of baking powder. Baking powder, a little smidge too. Beep boop, there we go. Now. Okay, lovely. Mix those ingredients together, pour in your butter. Our cobbler topping. Yum yum. On top of our strawberries. Oh my gosh. Okay. In the microwave. 2, almost. Okay, what else? Oh, lovely, I'm gonna do this. This is a really fun one because it is, I think it's flourless. And you do a banana, where's my banana gone? 2/3 of a banana, what is 2/3 of a banana? Okay, so we're gonna do some fresh banana again. So mash that banana in your mug. This is a flourless banana mug cake. And it's a really good one because 2 tablespoons of oil. And then we do a little bit of honey or maple syrup. Honey bear, boop, 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 boop. So a more natural sugar. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, and then we have more oat flour in here. So this is a fantastic one, especially for breakfast. I've made this with George before and he really likes it. 6 tablespoons of oat flour. Here we go. 1. I don't want to know how I'm doing on time.
I'm gonna let you know.
No, don't. I think I'm way behind. I think now I lost count of how many of those I was doing.
And 5-minute mark.
No. No. Is anybody going to be eating these after? I don't know if my measurements. They're, oops a daisy. They're, what you call it? Freestyle. Let's see how our, oh lovely, our strawberry cobbler in with our banana. Let's make the lemon and blueberry mug cake. If I can get 4, I think that's pretty good, right? 4?
I think I can make 10. I'm positive I can get there.
Is it like in golf when the less you get, the better you do? So this is the lemon and blueberry one. This is like a little kind of coffee cake situation. 4 is not bad, right? I get 5. Blueberries in there.
Last minute.
No. Lemon juice in there. Wait, let me get this into the microwave. Oh, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the Nutella mug cake.
And
Oh.
that's our timer. That's our timer.
Did I include this one? Can I include this one, please? No, come on.
Does not
Yeah,
count.
it does.
So Gemma, you ended up with
4, come on.
ish 3.
4. I'm calling it, it's 4.
What do you think you could have done better here to reach your goal?
Less talking. I'd say be more prepared. Like I went into this, I didn't have a lineup of what mugs I was gonna make. I wanted to go into it blind to make sure it was really fair. And maybe I should have cheated a little. I have to say, this is a nice array of mug cakes. They don't look the best because I did them so fast. But look, you have just a cobbler, you have a protein chocolate, you have a flourless banana muffin, and then you have a really lovely little blueberry and lemon, kind of a little bit of a coffee cake.
All right. Well,
So I'm actually pretty proud of myself. You know what? I was a little bit cocky saying 10, but I don't think 4 is too bad. Yum. Oh, that's delicious. I forget how good these are. So that was a pretty different video than what I normally do, but it actually was a lot of fun, so I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Let me know in the comments below what other challenge videos you'd like to see me do, and stick around for more bigger, bolder baking.